Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be swatching and reviewing these Rosalind gel polishes. Look how cute this box is. Be your own manicurist. Isn't that adorable? Yes, be your own manicurist. You can do it. It's not hard. It just takes time and practice, guys. But you can definitely be your own manicurist. I definitely agree with that. So look how cute this is. So this is their pastel collection that they sent over to me. And there's a little note here and it explains what is UV nail gel. And that is awesome. And it says it's a product that allows you to create beautiful, semi-permanent, and colorful nails. And so this is 10 gel polishes, and this is yes, this is their pastel colors. And so they're labeled from A901 all the way to 10. And the only thing I did not like from that was the fact that there was stickers underneath it, because those stickers can come off and then you don't know what number you're using. So yes, but anyway, let's get right into the swatching. So this, I'm going obviously from 1 to 10. So this is A901. And this is a really light pink. And I'm just showing you the consistency and how pretty this color looks. So, and remember guys, these are pastel colors, so they are going to be on the lighter side. So far so good. It's a nice consistency. As you can see, it's not runny, and it goes on pretty easy and very well. It's not as opaque as I would like it to be. I mean, let's see. I mean, with this polish, you'll definitely need 2 coats. Most likely because they are pastel. But so here I'm just showing you the consistency, and see how long it takes to go drop in the bottle. That's a good sign. Like I said, that means it's not runny. So this is after the first coat. It doesn't even look like the pink that's in the bottle. But I don't know if maybe that's the UV light. But after the second coat, it looks a lot better. So like I said, this is their pastel color, so this is going to be, everything is going to be much lighter. And yeah, these seem like these need 2 coats, so I will be doing 2 coats for each swatch. Now look at this pretty beige tannish kind of color. This is really nice. And this is a good consistency too. You know, just because it has the same brand doesn't mean every gel polish is going to have the same consistency. And I definitely realized that even though you have, you know, the same brand of gel polishes, some of their bottles might be watery, and, you know, some of them might be thicker. So that's the downfall when it comes to gel polishes. But that's why you always want to try each polish out, swatch them, and see how good they actually are. So far, this one looks really good. This is a really pretty color. Look at that. That looks like such a pretty color that I could put as a base and then like do designs on. That's really pretty. And look at this. Oh yeah, this is a nice, actually this looks pretty opaque to me after the first coat. It did not look bad at all. But like I said, I think you just want to go with 2 coats just in case, to make sure that you have that color. Next, we have number 3. And just to let you guys know, after each swatch, I am curing it in the light for 60 seconds. So each coat I do 60 seconds for, okay? So this right here, I'm showing you the consistency. It's on the thicker side, not runny. That's a plus. And now let's see how this beautiful baby blue looks, or sky blue. Is it? No. Is it? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's on the, because I feel like I'm seeing a little bit of green in it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it like baby blue or sky blue? Maybe it is sky blue because look at this first coat. It definitely looks like a sky blue. And then when I'm putting the second coat, it still looks like sky blue. But you see what I mean? Like that second coat definitely just makes that color opaque and just boom, that color is nice and bright, and you could definitely see it. This is a really pretty color too. I like this color. Look at that. But that looks like a sky blue to me, definitely. So next we have number 4. And like I said at the beginning, I'm going to show you the consistency so we can see. So this is, yep, look at that. It's on the thicker side, not runny. And this is like a bright yellow, or yeah, like a bright yellow, maybe like, what color could this be? I don't know. For me, I feel like it looks like a flower like color because it's so light. Okay, so I'm not gonna do second coats after the 4th one. This is the 5th one. So now I'm just gonna show you guys just one coat, and then at the end I'll show you all of them and show you the second coats. I just want to get through the colors for you guys so you guys can see. And like this one is a good consistency also. And look at this. This is like like, you know, a lilac, right? Like a lavender lilac color. Really pretty color. And this is nice and opaque because you can definitely see the color on the first coat. So this is definitely a plus. I like this color a lot. Look at that. And these guys are such spring colors, pastel colors. They remind me of Easter. You know, so this is definitely a great set for spring, spring nails. And this is number 6. So now I wanted to see if number 3 and number six look alike. You know, the sky blue one. But no, you see, so that definitely looks like sky blue, which is number 3. And number 6 definitely is more of like a teal, you know, with that green tint to the blue. So yeah, I like teal too. It's a pretty color. This is nice and opaque, and the consistency is good too. Look at that. So now we are here with number 7. Let's see how this is. Nice and thick. And let's see what this is. This is like it's very light color. I don't know. What do you guys think it is? I don't know. It's like a really light blue, maybe. Here's number 8. And let's see the consistency. Oh yeah, for this one, so this one was like a beige also, and I wanted to see how if it was compared to number 2, but as you can see, it's more on the pink side, while number 2 is more on that tan beige side. So yeah, this is like a really light pink, almost kind of beige, like it's a mixture, you know, of both of those colors, but more on the lighter side. And like I said, guys, this is a great collection if you're looking for that pastel look or gel polishes that you don't have, because there's a lot of people that love pastel colors because they don't like, you know, maybe that bright color or that dull color. So I definitely recommend these. So this is number 9. So guys, this color I was like funny with because okay, I was like, what is this? Is this like a, like, what does that look like? To me, when I was taking it out of the bottle, it looked like a milky white, but then I was putting it on and I'm like, This looks like a cloudy clear. like like I don't know if that exists, cloudy clear, but like yeah, like I don't know. It didn't look like a milky white to me, and I was like, why is this in the pastel collection? I mean, yeah, like I don't know. I was kind of thrown off with it, but yeah, yeah, that's the color. It looks like a cloudy clear, almost milky, but I don't know. So last but not least, we have number 10, and this is like a really bright green, very, very bright green. And like I said, these colors remind me of like Easter or like Easter eggs, just like these spring colors. And they're beautiful, Like I said, these consistencies are really good. I definitely recommend them. Um, what you call it, if you're trying to add some pastel to your gel collection, definitely get these beautiful, beautiful colors. The only thing that I did not like about this kit is that it did not come with a base coat or a top coat, but that's okay. Overall, I definitely give this a thumbs up. Beautiful. Look at all these beautiful, beautiful colors. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.